So the update for the Air 2S C1 certification has come in, and you've all started to download it, and I got a lot of questions from many of you regarding the update, the remote ID, and also the maximum distance of flying, and also auxiliary lights. So I'm going to answer all these questions for you now, because there's a couple of issues that I would like to go through with you before you start to update, because it's a little bit important. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys, and it's great to see you again, and thanks to everyone who commented on the Air 2S C1, because it's been a massive event for everyone, it seems, because everyone's been waiting for this, and when I put it out late last night, it just went mental. So thank you to everyone. So a couple of things. I didn't actually go through and check any of the settings because I was too busy recording the video. I had to get it edited and then get it out to you all, which was the important thing, but I didn't go and check anything. But I got a lot of questions, so I came in this morning, and the first thing I'd done is I went through all the questions and I checked everything, and there was a couple of things which I noticed. So as you probably remember from the last video, which is the C1 update, if you have not seen it, you can go and see it here. I done the update on the DJI RC Pro. Now, when I opened up the RC Pro and I had it connected to the internet, I wasn't prompted to update the RC Pro, which I thought was kind of odd, because I thought if there's quite a big update, maybe there's going to be an RC update as well. I wasn't prompted with that, but I only updated the aircraft itself, and you probably see that from the actual screenshot that I had. So when I came in this morning, there was lots of questions, but people could not find how to see the remote ID. So when I went in and checked, yes, I couldn't see it because there was no update. Now, I had to go in and actually find the update itself, which I did, and when I done that, I actually had the ability to see the remote ID. Now, I thought I would try the DJI RC, and when I opened this up, it immediately asked me to update the RC, which I did, and then I could see the remote ID, and you can see that here. So a lot of people are being asking, so if you cannot see it, make sure that you update your RC as well as the aircraft itself, because that is very important, otherwise you will not see any remote ID. Another question people have had is the maximum distance. Will this update, especially going into the C1, will it hamper the distance that you can have the drone? Now, always remember, keep the drone in visual line of sight, but the maximum distance has not been changed. So you can still set it to 500 or 5,000 meters. I can't quite remember which one it is, but you can still set it quite far. Another question people have had is the auxiliary light, because when the C1 update came in for the Mavic 3, for some people said that it didn't work. It does work, and you can see here that I've actually checked it, and the light does still work when you do the update. I hope this was helpful to you all. Make sure that you update properly. Make sure you update the RC, whether it's the RC or the RC Pro. Make sure you update them as well as the aircraft itself, and everything should be fine for you. I have not seen any issues with this update whatsoever at the moment, but the RC Pro has not been prompting me to update, but certainly the DJI RC has. Have you had any issues? Is everything okay with you? I hope that's the case. Please leave a comment below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, fly safe.